Hi, I'm Lucy from MG Caravans, and I'm going to be showing you today one of our approved used caravans. It is a 2012 Sprite Quattro FB. All of our used caravans are all fully damp checked, come with a full NCC approved service and a minimum of 12 months warranty. This particular model has got 12 months warranty. We'll give a quick run through of the external features. So we'll start at the front. We've got an alco stabiliser, 13-pin connection to the car, and a large gas locker at the front. So that's where your gas is stored, and then you've also got a bit of storage there for any other bits you want to keep on the outside. You don't want to run in the caravan. On the off side here, you've got a radio aerial there on the side. You'll see the edge of it on the top there, that's the TV aerial, digital TV aerial. We've got alloy wheels. At the end of the caravan we've got the storage for the cassette toilet and also the flush fill up. We've got battery box, flue for the water heating and also the water inlet there. We'll move round to the near side. On the near side we've got an additional fitted mains socket, and we've also got a locker there that goes underneath the fixed bed at the back. We've got a stable door here with a little pocket at the bottom, and we've also got a fly screen for the door. We'll step in. Got a lot of storage in this caravan, so we've got the overhead lockers. We've got a nice large seating area at the front. So to make this into a double bed, the slats pull out from the front here. So they pull out all the way to the end, and then you position your cushions upside down. These ones go in the middle to make a nice large flat bed. You can also make them into singles, they are long enough for that. Also at the front you've got this nice chest of drawers. Also has a pull-out coffee table there. So if you don't want to bring out the big table, just two of you, you've got that little bit of extra space there. If we turn around, see we've got the dinette. So the dinette there, that makes into a bunk bed, or you can make it into a single bed. And it's also got a privacy curtain there that goes round the bed, and it also has safety guards around the outside and also a ladder. It does take up to 11 stone, so it is nice and sturdy. Got the kitchen area here, so it's had an additional microwave fitted, which is a really handy feature to have in the caravan. We've got a sink that has a removable drainer, a 3-way fridge. So the fridge works on gas, mains electric, and also 12 volt on the car. We've got a 3-burner hob there, so 3-burner gas hob, gas grill and oven. And you'll see to the left there, that is where the freestanding table is stored. On all of the windows and roof lights there are fly screens and blackout blinds. The caravan also comes with removable carpets. If we lift these carpets up, you can see that there's white clean flooring beneath. They are in sections as well, so if you wanted one lot of carpets left in, like the living room, you can take out this section for the kitchen and the bedroom. So we move towards the back, you'll see we've got the fire down here. So heating in this caravan is Truma. We've got a Truma gas and electric water heater, and then a Truma gas and electric blown air heating with the gas fire there. Above the fire you've got storage, so a nice large wardrobe, and it's also got in there TV aerial, which is omnidirectional, so you can change the direction to get a better signal. Towards the rear you've got your washroom, so you've got a separate vanity area with mirror there, and then you've got the door into the shower, toilet, wet room. Got the fixed bed to the right, so really large, nice fixed bed, and opposite the bed You do have a triple arm TV bracket that can swing out to face the living room, and it's got wiring there, so you've got a main socket, 12 volt, and it's wired to the aerial point. I'm going to lift up the bed, and you'll see underneath the bed we've got the ladder for the bunk bed, and we've also got a spare wheel, and we've also got a lot of storage space. Cupboard door there is what's been taken off to pop the microwave in there, so if you ever wanted to take that out, you can pop the original door back on. Just pop the bed back down. So through to the shower and loo, you've got a Thetford cassette toilet there, and then you've also got your shower, so it's got a trigger head for the shower, got a light in here and a roof light, so you can let in some ventilation. So that is the overview of our 2012 Quattro FB. If you've got any questions about this model, or you're interested in it and would like to make an appointment to come over and view, just give us a call. We're a friendly family run business, and we look forward to welcoming you to MG Caravans.